In this video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to loop.cloud.microsoft and you should be able to see in here this page. Once you're in there, you can see in here this. So proceed to click on this Get Started in order to create an account directly on Microsoft. However, if you already have an account on your OneDrive as well as your Microsoft Word or other services provided by Microsoft, you can proceed to just use that in order to click on the sign in option and sign in onto the Microsoft Loop. Since I already have an account on Microsoft, let me just sign in. Now here is what my page looks like. I already have in here these pages and here is the page that I have changed. Now I want to attach a document onto this particular page. So since this is a database page, let's proceed to add in here our document. To do so, click on this plus icon. You can see these general pages like subpages, dates, remembered questions, text styles, templates, communications, images, as well as other options like GitHub and other applications. If you want to attach a document, you can either choose in here this image and attach right here a media. From in there, just choose right here your actual PDF or any document that you want attached and click on open option. Once you have clicked on that open, it should be able to upload that. However, if it actually can't be uploaded, what you can do next is you can just attach right here the link for that particular file. You can head over it here into your Google Drive or OneDrive, select the document, and click on the link option in order to copy the link. Head over right here to your database and paste right here the link, and it should be able to help attach that particular document right here, and you can proceed to add it right there, and people with access to this page should be able to access it as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.